I hit that kid. Camo building and just to the left of it. Knife. Just kidding. Oh shit. Right back in here, huh? Yep. Got you covered. Yo, you have any people on your left? All right, he's out. I got the guy in the woods. You got someone right ahead of you in that blue building. Right behind that fence. Ready? I'm gonna throw a grenade. Ah! Grenade! Oh, that guy got. Yeah. There's no way you're not hit right there. Okay. I just got a double kill. Oh, that was an epic fall. Shit. Right behind you. Got your back. Already got a visual. Call out visuals. Moving up. Watch my 11. Hit! Where? Roger. Move up! Green building? Oh, roger, I see it. Left side, left side! I see, I got the visual. I got him. I hit your foot. Thank you for calling that. I got him. The guy by the spools is out. Oh shit. Camo building! Camo building! Holy fucking shit. I'll give you cover. Red, push up! Got your back. That's a nice shield. Friday, go, go, go! No way I didn't hit that kid right there. What the hell? Can you watch that guy behind the spoiler?
We're pushing right! I'm going right!
I gotta reload.
Right.
Yeah. Dude, you have literally BBs like in the screen. That's so badass. I hit that fucker.
Hey, don't worry. On the sniper tower.
Right in that, yeah, right in that green building. There's a guy right there. Green building about 5 feet in front of you. This guy. No, just the green painted one. There's a guy in there. He's right behind it. Shoddy. Oh god. Yo, I'm pinned down. Oh, right there. You see him? You see him? He just peeked his. Whoa. The green building right here? Oh yeah. Yeah, I see him, I see him. Moving right! Moving right! Yo, they're right here! Holy shit. Right side, there's a charge! Hit! 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 It's all good. Nice shot.